Why does your scanner show the P1166 engine code? What does it mean? P1166 is a diagnostic trouble code for air-fuel ratio sensor 1 heater circuit malfunction. This engine code indicates that the heater element within the primary oxygen sensor on the engine is not functioning properly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty air or fuel ratio sensor 1. Damaged sensor wiring. Faulty ECU. Low power supply. Contaminants in the exhaust system. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Toyota, Honda, Chevrolet, and more. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.